Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Melissa, and if you like what you see here and want to see more, then I hope you consider subscribing. In today's video, we are going to be tidying up some areas in my home, and I hope this gives you guys some cleaning motivation. So as you can see here, I'm just picking up all of the stuff off the floor and putting it where it belongs. This is our loft, and this is where we have the big TV. So my husband and his friends like to come up here and watch TV or play games or, not put stuff back where it belongs, but that's okay. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm giving the entertainment center a good wipe down because I haven't done this in quite some time. And then I'm just going to organize this mess here. So here I'm just organizing the computer desk slash office area. This desk is actually built into the wall, so it came with the house. I don't know how I feel about it because it's in the loft area and it's the first thing people see when they come upstairs. So it's very easy for this to become a catch-for-all place. So I try my best to keep it as clean and organized as I can, but sometimes that's not always the case. So here I'm just organizing it and making it look more pretty. Moving on to one of the guest bedrooms, or the airplane room as I like to call it. My dad was just recently with us for a couple of days, so he was here in this room, and that is his way of making the bed. At least he tried. But I'm just going to strip everything off of the bed and put some new sheets and pillowcases on so I can get it ready for our next guest that will be coming over. Moving on to the other guest bedroom, which is the Smokey the Bear room. This one really didn't need anything, so I decided to just quickly vacuum it. And also, the rooms already came like this when we bought the house. I mean, minus the bed and like the recliner. But like the walls, like the airplanes and the Smokey the Bear, like the curtains and stuff, the house already came like this. And maybe in the future we will change it, but it's not really a big priority to us. For now, it's just the airplane room and the Smokey the Bear room. This is the guest bathroom, and I'm not doing like a full clean in here because I just did a deep clean a couple days ago, but I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down and get it ready for the guests that will be coming pretty soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.